there's so many different things to see when you have the opportunity. So there's the Capitol. If you know the right people, you can get a tour of the White House, and if you do it soon enough, because there's a waiting list to get in there. You can see Ford's Theater, where Abraham Lincoln was assassinated. There's also the Holocaust Museum. That one is, some people don't enjoy going, but it's definitely an eye-opening experience. There's also one that I didn't get to go to because it does cost for entrance, but I heard a lot about, is the Newseum. It's a museum about news, publications and journalism and things like that. And I want to go back and see that one. Within the Smithsonian, one of the favorites was the Air and Space Museum. A lot of people love that. There's, what else is there to see? The Washington Monument, and the Lincoln Memorial. Those were one of the traditions of the mission. What you do every once in a while, we call sunrise pictures, and what you could get permission, and what you could do on a P day every once in a while. Usually, it was limited to once a transfer, at most. Is you would get up very, very early, and then you'd get down to the city, and then people would be on the steps. We would try and be on the steps of the Lincoln Memorial at sunrise. And so you have, the Lincoln Memorial behind you, and as your pictures, you have the big reflecting pool, and the Washington Monument on the other end. So that was a fun thing, to be able to be down in the city for that. Kind of a tradition of the sisters, kind of, I don't know if the elders necessarily did this, was Georgetown cupcakes. So there's a little popular pastry. It's a cupcake shop called Georgetown Cupcakes that a lot of people have heard of. And oftentimes, the sisters, when we would go to do sunrise pictures, we'd go get in line for Georgetown Cupcakes. DC, while I was there was kind of a cupcake craze, I guess. And there's a lot of different cupcake places. So we had a few opportunities to kind of go to the different cupcake shops and try out. So this place has better frosting. This place has better, cakes, versus another one just has a better ambiance about the place. So that was more of a sisters thing, I think.